In this exercise, we will go through ordered lists. So it's like the unordered list, like we saw in the previous lesson, but the difference is now instead of the bullet points, we have numbers. So list item number 1, number 2, number 3, etc., etc. So let's see. Ordered lists, or OL tag, are like unordered lists, except that each list item is numbered. So instead of the bullet points, we have numbers now. They are useful when you need to list different steps in a process or rank items for first to last. You can create the ordered list with the OL tag and then add individual list items to the list using li tags, just like we did in the previous section when we add the li tags inside of the UL element. So we have one example of OL, ordered list element, with some list items inside. The output will look like this. You see, instead of the bullet points, now we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go down there and see the instructions for this exercise. Under the heading that says countries with large brown bear populations, we should place an ordered list. Do not add any list items to the list just yet. So countries with large brown bear populations. Let me find it first. Countries with large brown bear populations. So it's right here. So under this H3 element, add an ordered list element, closing tag, run. Okay, next add the following list items to the ordered list. So we have 3 list items: Russia, closing li tag, we have United States, and we have Canada. So below this heading, we should now see our ordered list. Let's click run. Yeah, it's right here. You see Russia, United States, and Canada. Here are the numbers instead of bullet points, like we saw in the previous section when we learn about UL or unordered list. Now you know there are 2 different types of lists in HTML. You have unordered list and ordered list. The difference is right here. This is unordered list. It has bullet points, and ordered list has numbers instead of bullet points. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise.